Namaste everyone, and welcome to the 4 weeks Pawan Muktasan challenge with me, international yoga trainer Neetal Shah. And as you know, Pawan Muktasan has lots of benefits like it aids your digestion, it strengthens the core muscles, improves flexibility. It's also helpful for back pain, reduces flatulence, bloating problems, gastric problems, which is our main target over here. And above all, it's a yoga asana, so obviously it provides a lot of relaxation. There are various forms in which we can practice the Pawan Muktasan, but with week 1, we are going to start with the easier variation of the Pawan Muktasan. Pawan Muktasan, before you can practice, let's learn about who should not practice it or who should practice it with some guidance and some precautions. So people with high blood pressure should actually not do it at its highest peak, the whole perfect Pawan Muktasan. But I would suggest that you can practice the Pawan Muktasan in a light manner. People with heart problem, recent surgeries also should be very cautious about it. If you have had any abdominal surgery, yes, please avoid it. Hernia problems are also included. Pregnancy, especially the third trimester, second and the third trimester, should avoid it. During your menstruation also, you shouldn't be practicing this pose. Though some of the text says that it's helpful to release the menstrual cramps. Whenever there is a confusion like that, you are feeling good with the asana, but the theory says that you shouldn't be practicing it. Then what I suggest is you should practice it at a minimum capacity, a little bit. Yeah, people with slip disc back injuries should avoid this. Any kind of other injuries with the shoulders, ankle, knees, some surgeries should avoid this. This is always to play it on a safer side. And the best time to practice the asana, any asana, is obviously in the morning, but specifically with Pawan Muktasan, you should be practicing it in early morning. And what I recommend for all of my students is, especially once you wake up, on your bed only you can practice the Pawan Muktasan. This is such a beautiful asana, and it should be practiced empty stomach, and it will help you with your bowel movements in the morning and cleansing of your abdomen, clearing your stomach nicely. You could be one of those people who are lucky and who do not face the problem of constipation. And you would be saying that, okay, I don't need to do it. But believe me, if you practice this, your maximum toxins will be released. So early in the morning on your bed, as long as you don't have to run to the washroom, then practice it on your bed. And practicing the Pawan Muktasan daily will train your abdomen and your biological system in such a way that you will not face any problem of constipation, gas, which is a usual problem that most ladies face in the morning. So, once you wake up from your bed, once you wake up on your bed, you can do some of your stretches and practice the Pawan Muktasan. It is a nice preparation for you for practicing other asanas also. It becomes like a warm up for you. So let's see what we'll be practicing in the first week in this special challenge to have a good health. So as we know, Pawan Muktasan will be practicing it lying down. So if you are sitting like me right now, then just go in the lying down position. If you are already on your bed, then just enjoy the asana. Let's see. If you just woke up from your bed, then practice the Yastikasana to wake up your body. Stretching your legs and your hands up and down, nice and gentle, and relax. So because this is going to be only the Pawan Muktasan challenge, so we are not going to practice any other asanas. And I hope you have taken care of all the contraindications. So inhale with your hands above your head, legs stretching downwards. Inhale and exhaling. Squeeze your right leg into Pawan Muktasan. Right toe pointing downwards, left toe pointing upwards. Left knee pressing downwards, right knee pressing towards your chest. Shoulders relax, neck relax, and hold the position for 10 counts. You can count it in your mind, or you can even chant a mantra which will help you to focus your mind. Slowly inhaling. Stretch your leg out, hands up, and relax. Exhaling. Squeeze your left leg into Pawan Muktasan, left toes pointing downwards, right toe pointing upward, right knee pressing down, left knee towards your chest, shoulders relax, neck relax. Hold the position for 10 counts and slowly release and relax. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Right leg into Pawan Muktasan. Squeeze and hold. Those who are not facing any cervical problem and want to make it advanced asana can lift their head up and squeeze your abdomen more, but make sure it is not loaded on your neck. You can even squeeze and try to touch your nose to your knee, but make sure you are not loading your neck. It should be squeezing from your abdomen. And if you're feeling your neck is getting loaded, place your neck on the floor. Inhale, release, exhale. Change your leg. The inhale and exhale are very important. Practicing the asana. Hold for 10 counts. Either head down or head up, depending upon your capacity. And slowly release and relax. We'll repeat this 5 rounds each legs. Right leg into Pawan Muktasan. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can keep your eyes closed to relax your mind. And inhale and release. Exhale. Left leg into Pawan Muktasan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Fourth round. Right leg into Pawan Muktasan. Remember all the rules. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Rise your hands up and legs down. Exhale. Left leg into Pawan Muktasan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhaling. Let's squeeze both legs into Pawan Muktasan. If possible, you can lock your hands. You can hold the elbows, toes pointing downwards. Squeeze your abdomen, navel pressing downwards. 1, 2. Roll your neck and check if it is not loaded. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, release both the legs down. Exhaling, squeeze both the legs. If it's not possible to hold from your shin, you can hold it from your thighs. Make sure the purpose is not holding the legs, but the purpose is squeezing your abdomen. The navel should be pressing down and you should feel a squeeze over here. And if possible, and if you do not have any cervical issues, you can roll yourself up to try to touch your nose in between of your knees. Inhaling, release your legs and place it down. Exhaling, let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling. Release your legs. 2 more rounds. Let's practice it together. Exhaling. Squeeze your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Stretch your legs. Down. Exhaling. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. So, yes, friends, this was the Pavan Muktasan challenge, and I hope it is very easy, very nice, doable, and do subscribe to the channel so that you can get this video daily. You will not have to search for it. Practice it along with the video, without the video. 10 rounds with each leg, 10 rounds with both the leg. And that is what we are going to practice for this whole week. If there are any queries, feel free to message me, to contact me anytime. I'm always available to resolve any of your queries. And thank you for joining for the Pavan Muktasan challenge. And I hope we have a healthy life according to our motto, स्वस्थ रहेंगे, मस्त रहेंगे, तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे. Om.